Hello everyone, I'm Allison Burton, and our theme for today's story time is Earth Day, which is actually next Wednesday, April 22nd. So to start off, I'm going to read an Earth Day rhyme. It goes, Earth Day, comes once a year, but we should make our message clear. Love and clean the earth each day. Make that plan, a plan to stay. Earth Day comes once a year. Love and care for our earth so dear. Now, our book for today is The Earth Gives More, written by Sue Fleece, illustrated by Christiane Engel, published by Albert Whitman and Company, copyright 2019. Feel the wind blow through your hair as you breathe the clean, fresh air. Run barefooted through the grass. Watch the clouds change as they pass. Swim the ocean, shape the sand. Give the beach a helping hand. Float, play, clear away. Still, the earth gives more. Leaves of green turn yellow, red. Spin and swirl around your head. Scoop them all into a heap. Get a running start and leap. Spread the leaves to feed the grounds. Take in all of nature's sounds. Crunch and scatter, forest chatter. Still, the earth gives more. Stormy weather chills the air. Bundle like a polar bear. Snowflakes ride the winter breeze. Sail on sleds and glide on skis. Fill the feeder on the tree. Birds below watch patiently. Forage, wait, hibernate. Still, the earth gives more. Sunbeams stretch with all their might. Share their power, warmth, and light. Hear the distant thunder crash. First a drizzle, then we splash. Raindrops fall and shoots push through. Rise and bloom, begin anew. Shine, sow, shower, grow. Still, the earth gives more. Wish on stars in nighttime skies. Welcome every new surprise. Do your part. Use what you know. Help the earth to thrive and grow. Guard the land and air and seas. What is left without all these? Love, respect, befriend, protect. So the earth gives more. The end. Now, an easy art and science activity you can do to go along with the Earth Day theme of this story time is make a coffee filter Planet Earth craft, the instructions for which can be found in the description of this video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy.